Alright, hi everyone. This is Jim with YouTube user JimLiElevators. And this is going to be a hotel room tour of the Quality Suites Hotel by Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. Before we go, over there's the elevator, but I think I'm going to get that at the end. Also, I'm not going to do a full hotel tour because I'm just getting tired and I have to go to bed soon because I wake up early in the morning tomorrow for my flight to New York City, as it leaves from here in Houston at 5:55 early in the morning. But there's a view of the lobby real quick. Perfect view of the lobby. Sidebar. Alright, well anyways, let's go tour the room. Just thought I'd give you a little short view of that. And we are in room 109. Just this room right here. Because I'm gonna be going to bed right after this is over because I gotta wake up tomorrow. You enter the room, got your deadbolt and your extra security. It's quality time. I like that. I hope to definitely get a nice quality night. Oh, the ironing board is right off into the corner right here. I didn't even realize that, but it's right next to the exit door. There's your evacuation map. So right here you have a closet with a pillow, your clothes hanger, and a bag. I don't see an ironing board for some reason. Got a microwave here. Coffee maker. A fridge. And this right here is a single king-size bed. It's nice, isn't it? I really like the picture of a propeller airplane. Got your lamp. There's my charging bank right there. Oh, here's the right side of the lamp, including a hotel telephone. Forgot to include that. Got a notepad, which is right there. Got your flat screen TV. Drawers. Here's my luggage, which I'll be taking that tomorrow. I'm definitely going to be wearing my TKE jacket because this is going to be freezing, especially when I get down to New York City. There's your air conditioner control. You got your view outside, facing onto Airport Boulevard. A lamp. So right here is a couch with my belongings, a table, and now we're gonna go look at the bathroom. Oh, here's the workstation. Sorry about that. I accidentally stopped the video, but anyways, I'm not gonna restart my video. I'm too lazy. But anyways, here's the restroom. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. There's your sink. Towels. And this right here is your commode for all you toilet fans. It's an American Standard. So let's flush it here on camera. And here is your shower. I'm not going to test it out with your arched curtain. A shower head. So this is a pretty decent room, I shall say. But now we're going to go ahead and end the video with a ride on the elevator, which is a Schindler 330A hydraulic elevator. So let's go and take a quick ride, and after that, we're going to go ahead and call it a night. Oh, I got to make sure that, yep, got my room key, good. It's nearing towards midnight, so we should be able to get a good video of this elevator. How small that is. Schindler HT vandal resistant fixtures. Oh, here's your ice machine. Oh, that Schindler logo is missing. This appears to be a 321A. It's installed in 2000. This appears to be a 321A. I have to see what year this hotel was built, but based on the interlock, this appears to be a 321A. I mean, it did have vandal-resistant fixtures at that time, so it must have, obviously, must have been modernized at a later time. I don't know. But I think I might go for one more ride. Listen to the motor. Here we go. And it's quite fast, too, for a hydraulic elevator. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and end the video. That indicator is original, so fixtures might have obviously been replaced out of time. So with that being said, there it goes. And that is going to be it.